Okay. Hello, everybody on YouTube. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Today I'm going to be working on my game. So, but first I'm going to play my game for a bit. Let's see. I gotta look at the thing. Today, here we go. Thing here. Right. So here's my game. For any of the bodders who are interested. I think there's sound. I think. Can you hear that? Maybe that's probably too loud. I'm gonna put it here. So I've added music to my game. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. But it does mean
serious? Everyone loves me.
Hello, mate. Well, that didn't come up there. Shouldn't that have come up there? I heard it. Did that come up? Maybe I just didn't look. It was quick, wasn't it? Okay. So, yeah, I got the controls sort of working. Okay. Let's just play the game. Yeah, how are you doing, Overkane? Are you working on any projects like dungeon crawlers or anything like that? And so yeah, you move around with the controller in it. You move around with left stick is strafing and the right stick is rotating. I had a really nasty bug. I'm gonna start today. For now I just woke up. Mate. Isn't it like 11 o'clock over there? I think it's like 12 o'clock over there. You gotta get it together, mate. Anyway. So... Sorry, I sound like your mother or something. Your babushka. Right? Did I say that right? 1 p.m. Oh yeah, this is working fine.
Target destroyed.
It's never going to be as good as when I'm like on mouse and keyboard and stuff, but this is fine at the moment.
Contact down.
Getting up a little bit. I changed the UI, did I? Did I? Well, I added these controls and stuff. Tell me if the music's too loud, by the way. I don't think I have either of these things. But we can check. Ion and pulse. You can't see the mats. Right, yeah, I got rid of a lot of those numbers because they were confusing people. People thought that you should be able to see the numbers, but they were just there for decoration. I think. So, I like simplified a lot of it. But there's a big argument between like UI in the center of the screen on the cursor. A lot of people seem to think that that might be a good idea. Oh, listen, that fuck! I should have snoozed it. Sorry. Pick this up. There was a bug there. There was a bug. Let me think about that bug. I can get that to happen again.
Well, 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 what do we have here then?
Ordnance! Don't waste my time. You're nothing. Don't waste my time. Armor is almost gone.
I'm getting used to these controls slowly. It's gonna take a minute.
Target destroyed.
It's really hard to control.
My ship is in trouble.
I think the rotation speed has to go up.
I've lost my shield.
Oops. I think we're rotating too slowly. I think we are. Ship controls. Yeah, I've done that before. Times it by 3. There must be a reason why I did that. Let's try that. No, there's a reason why I didn't do that. Okay. There's this number here. That could go up. I've got all these magic numbers everywhere. Haven't I? Which isn't good. Let's try this. That feels okay. Oh yeah, that feels way better.
Target destroyed.
Ooh, now we're talking. Now it feels like I'm actually playing the game.
Enemy down.
Maybe a little bit too much there. Why doesn't Alt F4 work? No. 7. Little just fucking adjustments I gotta make. Yeah, there was a big bug. This I had to sort of work out with the controller. Easy to play with controller because of auto aim. Well, the movements
Can't wait
harder.
to pick over the spoils.
Enemy down. Enemy down.
I'm spending a lot of time in the center of the... My ship is in the center of the screen a lot. Do you think so?
Help would be.
Might be because of this. I think those have to be uneven though. Pretty sure they have to be uneven. Mate. But I am having fun with the controller. It's actually not that bad.
Can't wait to pick over the spoils.
Target destroyed. Damn! Ordnance! I'm falling apart!
Yeah, I'm like, see how big my ship is? There needs to be a, let's think. To disable the hints, yeah, you disable the hints in the options, yeah, if you want to, yeah. Like my ship needs to be smaller a lot of times, like it's in the way of the camera. Do you know what I mean? Like it needs to avoid the center of the screen somehow. Let me think. Numbers, fucking numbers everywhere. Everything is just numbers and divisions and timesing and all this bullshit. I wish you could just say, do this thing. Ugh. It's very frustrating, isn't it? Yeah. Last direction. Probably this number here that needs adjusting. I think. And then the zooming out. The AAB dot length divided by 50 divided by 40. These magic numbers are driving me insane. Nobody, if anybody would try to work on this game, they just couldn't. They wouldn't be able to. Right? I can barely work on this game. Okay, that's better. We're zoomed out a little bit more.
Is anyone gonna repair me?
Yeah, that's better.
Help!
And we're still in the middle there.
Simple. There! My shield! Help! I'm falling apart!
I think I'm having fun. Hell yeah. Oh my god.
You're nothing.
Ah, good. Okay. I don't think I even have enough. Okay, and there's a bug here. Darth Blackman, hello. I saw you updated your Steam page. Looks good. Oh yeah, and this sound, it's like messing with stuff. And also there's a bug here that doesn't work. So, okay, hang on. First things first. First thing is first. First thing is first. Fix the UI thing. So go to fix the UI thing. Fix the UI thing. Go to jump control. Buff choice panel. Find next valid focus, grab focus. Okay. The next thing to do is I will wait. I also plan to submit the build today. Okay. Are you gonna do the next fest on, or are you gonna wait for the next fest, or are you gonna just release it? What do you think? Grab focus. What was the other bug that was there? Fuck. Oh, the sound. So there's a sound that plays when you're jumping. For player audio control, stop jump charging. Stop jump charging, blah, 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 volume, blah, blah, blah. Play jump charging, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Should I just do this? Oh no, that's wrong. Is it? Is it? I think so. Let's try this. Now I'm gonna win that fight again. I didn't hate it though.
Well, 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 what do we have here then?
Contact down.
Oh, the bloody thing's broken. One thing after
Target
another.
destroyed.
No.
Simple. Weapons beyond 100%. got time?
Nice. Navi, hello mate. I don't know why I was so excited to see you. I'm like a little Labrador. How you doing? So let's go to the next system, and then I will fix the thing.
Parati me Evan Eratao.
So to fix the thingy for the thingy, I need to go to materials, and then go to this one, and then add a next pass, standard material 3D. Need coffee. We all get addicted to coffee, don't we? Let's test this and have a look real quick, because albedo's in. Bomber. We have a next pass here. The gas of game development. They say that about the Industrial Revolution as well. They say that the Industrial Revolution happened because people stopped drinking beer all day. Because, of course, you couldn't drink water because it was poisoned or it wasn't clean, so you had to drink beer all day. And they stopped drinking beer all day and started drinking tea all day. And that's why the Industrial Revolution happened. Hello, Slayton. How you doing? Are you doing anything? Are you working on anything at the moment? Can you grow on? Okay, there you go. And I guess this is here. Like that. Tea equals productivity. Yeah. So coffee must equal double the productivity because of double the caffeine or whatever. Right? Surely. My life sim game, really? Oh, nice. Yeah, no, I remember you talking about that ages ago. I'm glad you're keeping it up. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. Whatever. I clicked the wrong button. Hang on. Yo, yo. Hello, Ogre Burger Man. My favourite Ogre Burger Man. Yeah, how's your game going? Are you, What was I fixing? Oh, this. Oh. Didn't like that. does that mean it has to be a different sort of simple grow shader? Yeah, it's probably this, and then it's like that. Okay. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah. You got your guns today. I feel like that could be in real life or something, right? You could have guns in real life. Morning, hello Starfall, welcome back. Mate. Have you made in like more sort of fantasy things, Starfall? Like you were making things in Blender or something, weren't you? I got the gun from Deformed in real life. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. What is it called? The shotgun, I assume? Start on GD script, alright.
Hard to know.
Well, you obviously
The
were doing
engine, the
Unity,
whole
so you probably
shebang.
get playing with that pretty easily.
Overcharge is enabled. I've lost my shield. Simple. Armor is almost gone. Shields at 0%. Weapons beyond 100%. Don't waste my time.
You see, I didn't make the aiming perfect. I think it's a lot more fun if it's not perfect.
Weapons full.
Also, it was very hard to make perfect. Controller controls, yeah. I think I have. I'm having fun. It's I'm used to it, and I think it's perfect. Well, I'm slowly getting used to it. Of course, I don't normally play controller games, so. Unity sucks and I rage quit. Dueling Godot. After that, I'm thinking of making a small game. I guess C. The problem is with C# is the compiling constantly. That's what I experienced. Is the compiling really sucked, having to wait for it to compile all the time. Change it back from crosshair in the center. So rotation is actually independent to aiming when you're using a controller. It's kind of confusing. Kind of complicated. You rotate independently to the thing, and then your aiming is sort of automatic, but you can adjust it. Better don't say anything. Well, what do you think, Maddie? Do you think it's wrong? Or are we talking about Unity?
Enemy down.
Ooh, that was good. Maybe the case that compiling my C++ code probably takes longer than C#. Oh, compiling? Yeah. That's the thing about Godot, you don't have to compile anything. Which is really nice. Especially if you've got a slower computer, that's the problem, because I had a really slow computer when I was using Unity. If you've got a fast computer, you've got a really fast computer probably, I've heard that it's even worse in some languages. Like, I've heard that Rust is so slow to compile that every little change you make, like, it will take like 5 minutes or something ridiculous. Okay, well, I might as well take this to its conclusion. I think we're gonna lose. So yeah, there's like one little bug I gotta fix, and then I'm gonna export this. I think.
Sorry guys, but there's a bounty on you lot.
In fact, I should probably be playing on export. Well, I'll fix the bug first, and then I'll play on export. Because of export bugs.
Weapons beyond 100%. Hull integrity is low. Simple. Hull integrity is low. Armor is almost gone. Don't dare go down on me.
No, I love that.
Is anyone gonna repair me? Watch out, man. Bombs away.
This like smoky effect is way too much. On some ships. I'm actually annoyed that I'm winning. My computer is relatively fast, but Unreal is not known for fast start. I want to improve it though, we'll see how it works out. I'd actually rather die right now because, well, whatever.
Watch out, man. You're nothing.
So yeah, I've got to adjust the size of that. These effects, these damage effects, like the smoke and the things like that. I'll adjust that.
Bombs away.
Okay. And now, yeah. Let's go to, there's a weird bug here, look. Where everything keeps on going. Try erasing the max queued messages. Oh, interesting. Yeah, well, we can get rid of those prints now. It's not really a big deal. Let's think. Don't think there's any prints here. This print and oh, that's unnecessary. I think it's just those two prints, right? Target direction. Yeah. Yep. Okay. And then I wanted to adjust the player light fighter damage effect, smoky damage effect. I'm going to scale these down 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Oh, does that respect my scaling? I don't know. It might not respect my scaling. Actually, not thinking about it. I don't think it does. It doesn't respect scaling. You have to, so that means I would have to adjust it here, which I think is probably fine. To be honest, it's probably a little bit too big in general. Let's go for 10 to 8. Okay. Let's try that. All right. Had a problem with controlling the AI animation with movement. It never worked. That kept searching for a solution, and it was because of ragdoll. Oh, you're talking about Unity? All right. Yeah, because in Unity, everything is a physics body, isn't it? Like, there's like components and things, and there's a physics. Instead of a node being, instead of an object being what it is, and then putting multiple objects into that object to make a meta object. Like in Godot, you have like one object with many components that make up that object, but in really it's really the same thing if you think about it. Anyway, like physics bodies are automatically physical, instead of being automatically, but in Godot, you can make a physics body be kinetic. Oof. I'm not really an expert on this. I'm probably saying everything wrong. It's my impression anyway. It's so complicated. Like, I just wanted to move the AI. I tried to turn off the ragdoll until it dies. Never worked. Oh, interesting. I don't know. It's been so long. I don't know. So what's next? The next thing I wanted to do was, there's a bug where if you play rogue mode and then you go into custom battle, it messes everything up. I gotta think about why it's doing that. So let's think about that. Main menu. Crazy penguin. Hello? Crazy. Didn't you raid me the other day? Is that right? Oh yeah, I remember. And you were doing modding, and yeah, something like that. How's that going? So if I so let's think. So we go to let me like sort of go through the process of going into a custom battle and see how it works. This is a problem when your project gets big, you don't know how anything works anymore, and you just got to find out how it works. It's kind of a problem. Okay, I'm pressing start battle. Going great. I had a Twitch extension in review quite a bit, and it got approved yesterday. Twitch extension. What's a Twitch extension? I don't know. Like a. Oh, hello, Dev Spadges. Hello, mate. How you doing? How's Stardius? I guess. Are you gonna raid and run? Okay, that's fine. Thank you. I appreciate it. For anybody who came in, I'll show you my game. Although I feel like Spadges has raided me so much that everybody's seen my game. But in case you haven't, this is my game. What's happening right now? I'm selling. I'll just sell this. I want to go here. I have a bug there. Let's color on. I'll change these to photon or something. Yeah. Yeah, that's awkward. So I said I showed you my game, and then I'm like doing inventory management. Why does everyone enjoy inventory management? It's weird. Twitch has an API where you can make add-ons for streamers, like video overlays, chat, interaction. Oh, interesting. Like how I've got videos and stuff. Yeah. I made one for Hades where chat can essentially see your build while you play. Oh, interesting. That's very cool. Next time I see your stream, maybe you can show me. Or if you have a video. Anyway, I wanted to unlock. Damn, there's a lot of grab focus problems. Okay, let's play. That's weird. That's kind of weird. Kind of cool, but kind of weird the way the planets moved like that.
Nothing.
Damn, this is so much easier now. Waving bullets. We'll go for this, I think. Oh, and you know what? I need to put the... I'll do this as well. Why did I do waving bullets? It's so stupid. Yeah, I just added the music. And it only sort of happens when you start the battle, right? So it's like quiet, and then as soon as the battle starts, the music kicks in.
You're nothing. Multiple contacts. Bombs away. Don't waste my time. You're nothing. Bombs away.
Nice. Okay, that's my game, but I should probably stop playing because I get addicted and then I keep on playing and playing, but I've got to actually work on the game. So there's a bug with you go into rogue battle and then you come into custom battle and it messes up the factions or something. I don't quite know how it's working, but let's have a look. So start battle, hero keys, blah 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 blah. Hero keys, append this. Last character used is this. Load custom battle through wormhole. Using these hero keys, these ally keys, these enemy keys. We're changing the data. Next scene is custom battle. Enemy keys, ally keys. Then you change the scene file. Okay, we're going to the loading screen. I'll ignore the loading screen and we'll go to system, I assume. System key, no system key equals this. Start the system story. Test system. World environment. System story. Custom battle. Born in player ships with game heroes data. Friendlies equals spawn ships, friendlies data. Spawn areas, pick random, true, false. What does all this mean? Oh my god. This is like this is something pirate software would write. True, false, 0, false, true, false. Yes, very useful. Very useful. Spawn ships. Custom ally, custom enemy. Code quantity, some pirate software. There's a ranking system. At the top is probably like Jonathan Blow. You ever heard of him? Or is it Jonathan Blow? Or who's the other one? Casey Muratori, or probably Linus Torvalds. He's famous as well, of course. Who else is a good quote coder? John Carmack. I don't know anything about John Carmack. Okay. How is that possible? I don't know. Should I know something about John Carmack? I feel like I've heard the name before. Copy. Let's have a look. Doom, Quake, VR. I think he was on Joe Rogan as well. He made Quake. Interesting. Cool. I have to... I don't know. Do I care? I have to have a look later. Is he the guy who made the inverse square thing? You ever heard of that? Anyway, I have no idea what's wrong or right. Something might be right. Oh, he is the guy who made the inverse square? Let's go back to windowed. Anyway, let's get the bug to happen. So I'm going to press continue. Here we are.
Then
I'm going to go to main menu. Then I'm going to go to play, custom. I'm put you in there, and I'm going to put you there. I'm going to start the battle. And there should be a bug. It thinks that we're in story key battle. That's interesting. That's interesting. Story key battle. Battle. Maybe it's in here. No, it's there. So, where does it think? System key, story battle. Hang on. There should be system key. Benchmarking system, benchmark. If game rogue story. Okay, I think this is the problem right here. Oh, sorry, you're probably in an advert, but if you're, in case you're not in an advert, Starfall, the difference is if you end the run, you get the rewards, and the run's over, sort of thing. It's like it's a roguelike, but if you press main menu, it just saves where you were, and you come back later. So if I go to I think I found it. If I go to main menu, I go to no, I go to game. It's in the game. Game, it's in the game. And I go rogue story equals this. Okay. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to continue here. Okay, that works. Then I'm going to go to main menu. Play custom. Okay. And now this is working. That's good. You know what's not good? Fucking aiming right now. Oh no. No, the auto aim is wrong. Okay. Well, I fixed this, but I didn't. But if I go to, if I zoom, yeah, it's fine now, yeah. now I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna go rogue. I'm gonna continue. Okay, hell yeah. Okay, I fixed that. Now I've just got to fix the aiming here. So to do that, damn it. Let's have a look. The auto aim is so. The problem I'm having is so the problem is I'm warping the mouse to aim, to emulate so that, because the problem is you have to switch back and forth between, you have to be able to switch back and forth between mouse and keyboard and controller. Although part of me says that you should just remake the controller entirely so that it doesn't even depend on the mouse. Anyway, so what's happening is at different resolutions, at different screen sizes, there's a difference between the viewport sizes and the mouse positions. I realized that the mouse position, if you stretch the screen, the viewport size gets bigger, but the sort of world space, the canvas space, stays the same. So the canvas space is always 1080p, but when you stretch the screen, it becomes whatever 1440p, and there's a difference between the. And so when you get the mouse position on a stretched screen, it's not the same. And so I'm hitting this problem where, yeah, there's like a offset that needs to happen. But it's quite complicated and I'm not enjoying it. So if I go to, let's see, system, screen input, this is where all the magic happens. You can see how much stuff I've tried forever and ever. It's not very fun. Okay, so the problem is it works on full screen, but not on windowed, right? But I can't guarantee. What if you're using like a 4K monitor? What if the maths changes even more? Right? So I don't even have a well, I do have a 4K monitor. I could actually check. And so I'm adjusting things for my 1440p monitor, right? But that's not good. I've got to think of a way to unlink the mouse completely so we're not even using this mouse anymore, right? So let's go for, let's just try something. So if I just do this, wait, no. You want to go here. Let's try that. Interesting. So the Oh, but I know what would be the thing that would be interfering with this would be this. What's that? What is that? The cursor control would that's number 2. That's number 1. I don't know why you would move that in any way. Number 1 just stays in the middle, but it should rotate, right? Oh, it moves a tiny bit. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Well, why don't you just do this? Okay. Actually, do this so I'm less confused in the future. Although, is that getting used somewhere else? It might be. I don't think so. So 1 just stays in the center, but it lerps a little bit, and then 2, I'm not going to do anything to, because the thingy will move it. Let's try it. Okay. If I go to the back to this screen input, number 1. So we want number 2, don't we? Number 2. Do we? Oh, was I going after the wrong one the entire time? Yeah, number 2 is the one I wanted the entire time. Oh my god. Really? Damn it. Okay. So let's go back to screen input. 2. Let's try that. I kind of want to turn off the music so I can listen to music. Well, this bit is, it's not normally 8% comments. They're not comments, it's just commented out, it's like old code and stuff. Yeah. But I have this, what do you call it? It's like a starving mentality or something, where, you know, you don't want to you don't want to throw away your old code in case you need it. Right. Need to get a cleaner. Occasionally I've asked the AI to like clean up my code, refactor my code or something, and it just makes it so confusing because I don't know what it did, and yeah, I don't know. I'd rather have messy code that I understand than clean code that I don't. Do you know what I mean? Hyper Game Dev. Hello. Yeah, I got the raid thing to work. Did you? Does it work? AI often introduces strange bugs. Yeah. Yeah. I'm addicted to asking AI to solve the problem, and then it never does, but I keep on trying again and again for some reason. Like, I'm going insane. That's the definition, isn't it? Where you keep on trying things over and over again, and it keeps on not working, but you keep on trying it. Hello, Philip. Hello. Didn't you make, Philip? Didn't you make that game I played? Or am I wrong? The one with the orderly? Maybe. So, what was I thinking about before I got distracted? This. I think I want to save that position somewhere as well, because we're going to use it. This position right here. So the cursor dot position is a vector 2, and it will equal this by default, I guess. Right. Get that on ready. Variable on ready. You made that one? Oh, nice. Awesome. What are you up to now? Are you still working on that project, or are you doing a different project or something? Primary fire. Action. Pressed. Exploding. Updating. Aiming. Mouse position. Okay, here we go. So instead of that, I need to save the stretch, potentially. The stretch offset. Didn't I have a stretch offset here? Stretch offset here. So let's save that as well. Vector 2.0. Why am I typing 100? Stretch offset equals. I've been messing with an idea for a rogue 3D type game. Where it's first person, but the enemies are still ASCII. Oh, cool. You see a letter D coming at you, and it says, your tooltip comes up saying dragon. Well, I think ASCII art works if it's a little tiny, you know, screen. I don't know about 3D because it'll be. I'm just imagining it being huge. This giant D. You know. But you can make. We know what would be cooler though. You could make a dragon out of ASCII art, couldn't you? I don't know how hard that is though. Probably quite hard. But people do that sort of thing. Make the letters into 3D and billboard them into player. Yeah. Dragon, I know. The D. The D for dragon. So, stretch offset. I have that now. That's good. Now if we go down here, and there's a place where I aim. Here. So if input controller using controller mouse position equals left dot the dot cursor position plus stretch offset, I think. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, it works. I'm a fucking genius. Oh no, it didn't work. Okay, it did work. It's secretly working. Is it working? No, it's not. In music and game, yeah. Although I might turn it off so I can listen to music while I code. It might be minus stretch offset or something. Hang on. Wait. I hate it when you think something worked and you're so excited and then it doesn't work. It's the worst. It's the worst feeling in the world. That's working. And if I make it big, it doesn't work. The next update, the leaderboard reset. Yeah, I can do that, yeah. For sure. Final target. Position. Interesting. I might not need this anymore. See. Ooh, okay, progress is being made. Good. Okay, now if I put this back, I'm gonna try plussing stretch offset and then I'm gonna try minusing it. This is my version of maths. Is just trying things until they work. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. It's messed up now. Oh no, it's not messed up. That's correct. It's shooting in the wrong place. Spray without the offset. Pretty much. And that also seems correct. Hell yeah. Good. Okay, so... Oh. Sort of not returning back to where it should go. It might be this now. It might be because we're on a whole new. We're trying to ignore the viewport stretching situation by doing everything through the canvas world. God, it's so confusing. It's more confusing than global. You know how there's local and global positions? It's even more confusing than that. Okay. Seems correct. Anyway, it seems to work now. Let me just double check. Yeah. But I want to give the player more adjustment possibility. For sure. So let's give the player 30 pixels of adjustment. Oops. Feels good. That feels really good. Now what? I think I'm done more or less. Okay, so bam. Oh, I've got to make sure I can beat the boss before I ship it, right? Yeah. That's what I gotta do. I gotta do some balancing and make sure you can actually beat the boss. Yeah. But you know what I'll do? I'll test it on an export because of export bugs. And I don't want to be surprised with an export bug, so let's play it on exported version. Okay, and let's also play it on full screen. I think most people will play it on full screen. Okay. I think I was doing fine, right? Well, let's get some coffee first, and then I will play the game. Wonder if you can add crafting like ground materials so transform 5 white items and a blue. Yeah. Because, yeah, because what you could do is get rid of the shop, actually. Because I feel like the shop is kind of defeating the purpose of grinding in a lot of ways. I don't know. If you remove the shop and have crafting instead, or crafting, maybe there's a mini game as well. It could be a mini game. Make the shop a gambler. But it is random items, but it's not quite very. This doesn't really feel the same, does it? A gacha shop, yeah. That would be easy, right? You pay whatever premium and you get a random set of items. You only choose what type of thing you want, and when you're lucky you get something useful. But you could make the gacha like a crafting thing. So you put in, like you say, 5 white items and you get 1 random. I mean, that's basically the same, right? Thing, isn't it? I don't know. That's all stuff that I think is important, actually. Like, what do I enjoy? What I gotta think about the progression more, and like, what do I enjoy in games? I really enjoy min-maxing and stuff. And so if I can try to find more ways I can introduce min-maxing, but also randomness. Because there's the dopamine hit of getting a random item you really wanted, and then there's also the nice feeling of like min-maxing stuff, and like maxing out bonuses and things. Even if those bonuses in the long term don't actually matter very much, it's nice to feel like you are min-maxing, even if you're not, sort of thing. Oh, hello, Hyper Game Dev. Looks like it worked. Gotcha stuff. Yes. Yeah, very like action RPG, like Diablo. Yeah. You can choose what type of thing you want, and then that's because additional. Get a lot of trash. You get a lot of trash from gambling. You can try to change 5 of them into something useful. Yeah. But that's all meta stuff, and I think it's important. The meta progression is really important to get right.
Everyone loves me.
Abnormalities, hello. Nobody redeems the things anymore. I'm very upset. Please redeem the seconds and firsts. Thank you, Abnormalities. Are you starting your... I'm sorry if I've forgotten. You need to save your 1 point. Are you going to your college soon, your university? I think you said you were doing it next year, though, right? I suppose they have terms and things, so you can't really start in the middle of a term. Anyway, I was thinking about I should probably test every point counts towards the 500k. February, but I start to move next month. Alright, you have to move? Well, that's a commitment. I wonder if you're going to the same school as Bogan. That'd be interesting. Sometimes he's in the chat. He's from Australia. He also goes to college for game dev. There's probably like 1 game dev college in the whole country, and maybe it's the same one. 9-hour drive to move. Oh wait, but that's probably a small road trip in Australia. I bet that is. That's like nothing. 2. There are 2. Oh, really? There are 2 game dev colleges. So yeah, I want to test the story first and make sure the story's working on the export.
What's the big idea, huh? Stopping me like this? I have places to go, people to meet.
I will have my answers. Tell me what you know.
Tell you what about what? And why should I? I don't owe anything to your empire.
Because I'll blast you down to dust, you scum. You swine. Tell me where Solaria is.
Solaria what?
The voice acting,
Solaria
yeah, I like
who?
it.
Is that some type of drink?
I know you know who she is, you lying filth. She went missing in this sector, and you do know something.
Buddy, I have no idea what you're talking about.
How long are we gonna be out here, huh?
You scum, you swine.
Our orders remain, as long as it takes. We have to find Solaria.
Sure.
You're useless to me. You belt runners are all the same. We'll see if you still don't talk when I have my Marines search your holds.
Look, I got nothing for you. I've been telling you, I got nothing to hide.
Fake voting.
You want to search my ship? Be my guest.
Contacts?
Can you do that?
Who are they? Unknown vessels, this is the Martian cruiser Excelsior. Identify yourselves at once. Battle stations. Turn the helm. All ships engage.
Not again. Why does this always happen to me?
Come on, Yotharian, let's go.
I'm out of here.
Alpha 1, break off. Don't let that ship get away. Follow him.
Don't have to ask me twice. I'm gone.
Those VAs are having a lot of fun. Yeah.
Are you okay, Yotharian?
No. I got hit. They're always shooting at me. Always me.
They were shooting at everyone, Yotharian. But I've got some nanobots that you can use.
Thanks, Juno. You're alright, you know that? Out of everyone I know, you're the most alright. Alright?
Alright. Well, let's do a systems check. But first, repair your ship.
Oh wait, that doesn't work. Oh, this is broken. Her voice is nice, yeah. Well, I paid for her, so it's gonna be nice.
Can you move okay? Looks like you can move just fine. Here, shoot these rocks. Let's do a weapons check real quick. You're good, Yotharian.
I'm good.
You know what's not good?
Not good? Nope. Nothing's not good when I'm
Why am I
around.
spinning?
Not likely at all.
Why am I
Right.
spinning?
Well, how about being lost?
Lost? Me? Never.
Lost us.
Right. Yeah.
Where's that smuggler ship we were following? We followed its jump signature, but it's not here.
Must have scrambled it.
Thank you, Two Nuts.
Watch out! We've got company!
Hard now, to make the shop progression.
Yeah. Wasn't me. Don't tell your friend. I got one, I think.
Sure seems like we're being pursued.
I hope the others are
Why am I
okay.
rotating? Ugh.
Yeah, come on. Let's search for that ship.
Oh, and this doesn't work either. So, there's two things that are wrong. Why am I rotating? Why am I rotating? Can't need to grab focus on end tutorial. Okay. So the first thing I do, tutorial system. Let's see. UI canvas. Tutorial control. Oh yeah, and the right, so those didn't work anymore. Tutorial blurs didn't work. Go to the tutorial blur. Is it possible that I'm doing something with it? I feel like you should have seen it. Let's have a look. Hopefully that wasn't an export bug. I think it's a normal bug. It should be a normal bug. If it's an export bug, then I'll cry. Can't see any light. Did it work? It did work. Okay, it's working. Okay. Oh, I couldn't. It probably did work. I just couldn't see because of the. So I might turn these into subtraction. So to do that, go here. I like subtraction. I think it's cheap and easy, and it looks interesting. So I should probably put a box around it as well, though. I don't know. Probably. I can think about that later, though. Let's remove the... What colour's the background? I think it's vaguely blue, so I'm going to remove some blue. And put you somewhere here. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Did you really have bugs which only appeared in export version? Yeah, I've had it before, yeah.
Are you okay, Yotharian?
Which ones were it?
They're always shooting
Oh,
at
the
me.
exploding...
Always me.
They were shooting at everyone, Yotharian.
Okay, nice. Good. Okay. And then, what were the export bugs that I had? There was a bug with people being alive when they shouldn't. That was happening on export, but wasn't happening in my debug version. And I feel like there was another one as well. I can't remember. -1 HP, yeah. Yeah, the one you found it. I think a lot of it has to do with, you know how if you have an error, right, in the debug Godot, the game will crash and it will tell you what's wrong, right? But on export, the game a lot of times will just carry on, right? There'll be an error, but it will just deal with it. You know what I'm saying? And some people have these things called tests, which I don't quite understand. It's like, instead of just testing the game, they have a function to test the game. But I don't really understand why you would do that. It seems like a lot of work. A unit test, yeah. Can be valuable. Yeah, it seems a bit complicated. Okay, so that works. Need to grab focus at the end of tutorial. And then need to grab focus on end of tutorial. I think I should add a box as well. You spend less time debugging and searching stuff. Certain bits you know should happen. That's exactly, hello. Large code bases. I don't know what I just don't know what I would use it for. It's probably obvious as soon as you've used it, it's probably obvious like where you should use it, or it's a bit like multi-threading, which I've never tried or attempted. It's probably as soon as you've done multi-threading, you know where to put it. Damage calculation, you know the output should be 5. You make a test. If error doesn't come out as 5, you know something messed up. Makes more sense in business software. Yeah. Why am I rotating? Need to grab focus at the end of the tutorial. Script. No. Tutorial. I think it does it through the story. You get a tutorial and it says tutorial system. Have another cinematic. Have a fight. Queen. Jump. Move blur. Tutorial control. Okay, hang on. Go to here. Tutorial control. Tutorial finish direct. Exit button. Tutorial control. Exit button. Oh, sorry, I'm in this. Exit button, grab focus. Okay. It helps when you add new features to check your code and the tests. Check you didn't break existing features. Another unit test that could be useful is something like a Metroidvania, making sure randomly placed items can always be accessed in the correct order. I'm sure you're right. Do you do it a lot then, Sassy? So that's no. Hopefully that's done. And then why am I rotating? Why am I rotating? Let me think about that. Why am I...
Are you okay, Yossarian?
No. I got hit.
Alright, let's do a systems check. But first, repair your ship.
Disagree.
Can you move okay?
See, this is something I'm not rotating now. This might be an export bug. Ah, I rotate when the screen is big. I'm like randomly rotating. Okay. Bus. Screen. Input. Left. Stick. Axis vector. Yeah. All tests are green.
Out of every...
Well, let's do a systems check. But first, repair your ship. Can you move okay?
Did it. I love it when I did it. Oh, I love it when I'm successful or something. Okay, let's make sure that actually this is true. Let's do a test, a unit test. Am I doing the unit test right?
Looks like you can move just fine. Here, shoot these rocks. Let's do a weapons check real quick. You're good, Yossarian.
I'm good.
You know what's not good?
To force
Not
people
good?
at uni to make sure
Nope.
they had
Nothing's not good when
test
I'm around.
code
Not likely at all.
Hmm.
integration
Great.
test.
Well, how about being lost?
Lost? Me? Never.
Lost us.
Right. Yeah.
Where's that smuggler ship we were following? We followed its jump signature, but it's
I don't
not
think so,
here.
but who needs them?
Must have scrambled it.
Watch out! We've got company!
Yeah. I need you too. Rather them. Them, not me.
Oh, you know what? Where's my side control? When you're in the tutorial, you definitely
Me,
need that.
don't tell your friends.
Sure seems like we're being pursued.
Hope the others are okay.
Yeah, come on. Let's search for that ship.
Did you do one? No. Yes. Yes, I did one. Of course. So when so I should have got like a side control thing. Let's have a look. Tutorial. Show side tips. Side. Where does the side control thing exist? Here. If I go to story controller, have a fight with enemies. Side control show. Ooh. So is there? Side controls, hide. So something is overriding me. Copy. Search, find in files. Override show in suggestions control. Override show equals true. Copy. Hide. And bus.system story system equals false. Try that. It's a bit abrupt, that, isn't it? It probably needs an extra click in case you misclick. It's a bit abrupt.
Are you okay, Yossarian?
No. I know.
First, repair your... Can you move okay? Looks like you can move just fine. Here, shoot these rocks. Let's do a weapons check real quick. You're good, Yossarian.
I'm good.
You know what's not good?
Not good? Nope. Nothing's not good when I'm around. Not likely at all.
Right. Well, how about being lost?
Lost? Me? Never.
Lost us.
Right. Yeah.
Where's that smuggler ship we were following? We followed its jump signature, but it's not here.
Must have scrambled it.
Watch out! We've got company!
Hard to know. Internet nigga shop British.
Rather them. Them, not me. I got one, I think.
Seems like we're being pursued.
I hope the others are okay.
Yeah, come on. Let's search for that ship.
Okay. So that works. Ugh. Now I've got to test on export again. Oh no. Do I really? I guess I do, don't I? Just in case. At least it doesn't take any time to you know,
Are you okay, Yossarian?
export.
No. I got hit.
What
Always
is the
shooting
reverse
at me.
colours on hotkey
Always
showing?
me.
They were shooting at everyone, Yossarian.
Black is
But I've
usually
got some nanobots that you
inactive
can
state.
use.
Thanks, Juno. You're all right, you know that? Out of
You're
everyone
not
I
black.
know, you're the most all right. All right?
All right. Well, let's do a systems check. But first, repair your ship.
Oh, I see what you're saying. It's actually a red, but maybe you can't see that on your screen. Maybe you can't see that on your screen. It's not actually a black. But I think you're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Can you move okay?
And I can actually fix that pretty simply.
Looks like you can move just fine. Here, shoot these rocks. Let's do a weapons check real quick. You're good, Yossarian.
I'm good.
You know what's not good?
Not good? Nope. Nothing's not good when I'm around.
Yeah, you're right.
Not likely at all.
Right. Well, how about being lost?
Lost? Me? Never.
Lost us.
Right. Yeah.
Where's that smuggler ship we were following? We followed its jump signature, but it's not here.
Must have scrambled it.
Watch out! We've got company!
Hatna etnek na shoppression.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too. Rather them. Them, not me.
Sure seems like we're being pursued.
Hope the others are okay.
Yeah, come on. Let's search for that ship.
Nice. How many copies have we sold? 0. Alright. I wish I sold copies. So let's fix the thingy that Thingy was talking about. Here we are. It's an easy fix because it's this, isn't it? one. Minus tax. So, how do I fix this? There's some sort of controller or it's something to do with something. I'll click on this. It's like this hotkey here. It might get controlled with this or something, or keyboard guide on icons. Keyboard. Primary fire. Show hide. Okay, it's got nothing to do with that. Oh, I think you just change it. Okay, hang on. So it's this one. And for the ally buttons, ally button, think you change these ones here. D-pad down, D-pad right, and D-pad up. I didn't make these. These are Kenny icons, yeah. Have you used a lot of ready-made assets, or have you made everything yourself? It's not even for sale there. Sure. I'd say it's 95% myself, yeah. I'd say so. Like the background, I didn't make the background. I didn't make the planets. You know. I didn't make the music. And there's some a lot of the effects, like the sprite effects, I didn't make. Like the explosions and things, sound effects, I didn't make any sound effects. Okay, so that's that done. What's next? I've got to make sure that I export project and make sure that this works. Export bug? Where? Please don't say that.
You're nothing. Bye.
I'm at 0%. Overcharge is enabled. Enemy down.
Hello, bird boy. Hello. How you doing? Shouldn't you be streaming, Merd Boy? Aren't you streaming 100% of the time?
I don't mean to cause any trouble. If I can repair that shit for you, I'll get you patched up in no time.
Does it give you countermeasures hint too early? I don't know. It's difficult to say. Maybe Merd Boy. Oh, I don't know if you can play. Did you get a new computer at all? I'm sure you did, because your game did so well. Did you get a new computer? Maybe you can play test my game. No, you didn't. Why not? You just need a new CPU. You don't need a new graphics card. I think the CPU is too old. What was the CPU?
Target destroyed. Simple.
I'll use it till it dies. Okay, fair enough. I shouldn't be, yeah, I feel bad about that. I'm sorry.
Weapons beyond 100%. Target destroyed.
Oh, a 5280. Oh my god. So you can't run Windows 11, right? At least that's a bonus. You'll have to move to Linux, mate. It's all copyright free, yeah. But I did buy it anyway because I wanted to support the guy who made it. So I bought it with all of his music. He's called White
Eyes
Bat.
on me. Help! I'm falling apart! Eyes on me. Bombs away! Watch out for mine.
It definitely does spam the countermeasure suggestion, doesn't it? It does that more than anything else. The suggestion stuff really doesn't work very well. The new PC is overdue to... We're looking forward to it. Yeah, it's going to be amazing. When you update, mate. That's going to be amazing. I think I was... When I updated, my PC was about 6 years old. And it felt incredible, yeah. Especially if you're using your PC all day long. It's like, if you're using something all day long, it's like having a nice pair of boots. Or having a nice pair of boots, or, you know, a really comfortable bed. You know, you're using it all the time. I can see why people like controllers, because I get to just sit here and lay back.
Shields down.
It's kind of nice, right?
Hull integrity is low. Enemy down. Shields at 0%. Simple. Hull integrity is low. Target destroyed. Hull integrity is low. Armor is almost gone. Overcharge is enabled. I've lost my shield.
I might have to reduce the difficulty again for when you're using controller. But it's...
Anyone gonna repair me? Help! I'm
so
My
hard to
ship is in
dodge.
trouble.
You know. What I might do is reduce the enemy accuracy.
Armor is almost gone.
Leave me alone. Not again.
Separate. Yeah, it becomes difficult, doesn't it?
On me.
When you want to do both, controller and keyboard, it becomes really difficult to do something like a leaderboard. And then a better pair of boots show up and you're like, fuck. I don't think that's true for boots. But it's definitely true for, you know, computer equipment. Oh, that's good.
Whoa, easy there, Lancers. My cargo holds are full. I could do a little trading on the side. Why don't you come close and we'll trade?
I didn't put his portrait in yet. Yeah. Yeah, I like the idea of crafting rather than having a shop or something, because I want you to have to grind. Skip the jumping cutscene in the future? What? Skip it? No. Skipping my beautiful cutscenes I worked so hard on. You wanted to skip the intro as well, I remember that. But I made it so you can skip. You can like not bother with it.
Even more tedious.
The cold is coming. My ship is almost lost. My shield's down. I'm down to bones of iron. My shield's down.
Got it. My shield. Help! I'm falling apart. You're nothing.
After 100 rogue runs, it become obnoxious. Really? I don't. I'm not annoyed with it. Maybe you're right. I gotta listen to my playtesters, right? Alright, so there's clearly like I want to reduce the difficulty a little bit for the when you're using controller. So how can we do that? Let's think. I think reducing the accuracy of the enemies. Do you get more meta currency on hard? It's a calculation with the score, and there's a inverse power thing. Inverse power. Let me see if I can find it. A lot of this math stuff I don't do, obviously. I get the AI to do it. So I don't quite understand how it works. But there's some sort of power, but it's inverted. I remember. How would I even find this? I think it's to do with end battle control. No, it's story. It's like in here, I think. Update, rewards, and apply. Premium to gain. Utility, calculate premium. Yeah, here we go. You can tell it's AI because it's got all these comments, right? I have an auto feeder for my cats. I feel like feeding cats is one of the nice things to do. Don't you enjoy it? I enjoy it. Square root power of 0.5 to ensure that the premium scales up non-linearly. The multiplier 3. Why has it chosen this number? I don't know. It's chosen so that a score of 100,000 yields exactly 1,000. Okay. Safety check and conversion. Ensure score is non-negative. Convert the float for calculation. Okay. Then you premium multiplier square root score. And there you go. It is, but if everyone sleeps in, or sometimes if no one remembers to feed them. Oh. Wouldn't they just annoy me and like meow at me until I feed them? So I need to get an auto pet machine. These cats can't get enough. Oh. Yes. You need to get your AI robot assistant to do all of your you need your AI robot assistant to feed and pet your AI robot cat. They only cry at me for food, no one else. Oh, really? Oh, I see. Yeah, I guess they do learn that, don't they? Sounds useful. Anyway, I was reducing the difficulty for if you're using controller, and I think what I could do is go to NPC controller, and I feel like there's an accuracy calculation somewhere. Accuracy. Accuracy. Here's the accuracy. So if inputs controller using controller and parent body faction does not equal player, accuracy times 1.5 times equals 1.5. Let's try that. Hello Mungle. How's your multiplayer game going? It looks really good. I'll just bring it back. I'm gonna... Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Yeah, oh yeah, I streamed later today, didn't I? Do I want more coffee? I want to have a cup of tea instead. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh, I suppose I should press this button. Okay, so hopefully that will reduce the difficulty of controllers. I have to make sure that you're able to beat the game with a controller. So that's what I'm doing right now. Right. Yeah. I also need to make sure there are no export bugs, so I'm going to export. And run it in export mode. Oh, I got some new equipment, didn't I? I didn't get any new weapons, it looks like. Not really. I've got a really nice piece of armor. Energy. Let's put that on Scarlet. Shield. Why is inventory management so fun? This is... yeah. It's a part of the game, isn't it? Some of the arrows don't work properly. In fact, the arrows aren't working at all. No, I'm looking at it. Are they? Oh well. It's not a big deal right now. Yeah, no new weapons really. If I'm gonna manifest anyone... Who should I manifest? I think the EMP mine is really good, but maybe just this. All right. I mean, I got pretty far last time. That's interesting. That's a cool effect. Yeah.
Simple. Enemy down.
That's pretty good.
Hard to know. You're intending the whole ship energy.
Weapon full.
I see a bug.
The fight continues.
Simple.
Where are you going? Where's he going?
I'm down to bones of iron. Enemy destroyed. A good kill.
Don't waste my time.
It's pretty good.
Well, what do we have here then?
Enemy destroyed. A good kill. cause is coming. My ship is almost lost. Easy. Launching volley.
You should have put proximity on this. That's what I should have done.
Easy.
Oof.
Parati me Evan Eratao.
You're napping.
Yes. Let's have at it then.
They have reinforcements.
Yes. Let's have at it then.
Yeah, the accuracy thing worked a lot.
My
Pretty
shield's
good.
down. Easy. My ship is almost lost.
Eyes on me.
My ship is almost lost.
I can't be wasting anymore.
The
I'm a-
cause is coming. My ship is almost lost. Launching volley.
Turning rate would be good.
launching bombing.
Multiple contacts.
Missiles launched. The cold is coming. Death awaits.
Titus! Weapons beyond 100%. Enemy down. Target destroyed.
You're napping.
Should fix that bug real quick.
Hey there, Lancers. Don't mean to cause any trouble, but it looks like you need some repairs. I can patch you up in no time.
I'm gonna take a second. Material. Yeah, actually, let's fix it. Experimental material. Oh, interesting. They are local to scene. Oh no, it's not. There it is. Project, exports, save.
Welcome in, Lancers. Looking like you could use some repairs. We can fix something up for you.
I've got enough for revive. I've got enough for there. Style. Shop immediately. Well, I don't have any money for the shop. Spent it all.
isn't this a bit of luck? I've got what you need, Lancers. Got the credits for it, that is. Come on, let's talk.
Can't buy anything. Can I buy that?
For the Emperor of Mars.
Contact down. Engaging hostile attack.
Well, it didn't fix the problem.
Contact down. Hull integrity is low. My ship is in trouble.
I'll wreck them.
Those things are way too aggressive. Go to the missiles, just too much missiles. Data, character. Pirate pilot. Mars. Pilot. Okay. Let's try a small adjustment first. Let's also try. Let's do a small adjustment. In the NPC controller as well. There's a specific magic number. Let's make that magic number that and 0 that, maybe a slight adjustment. Because you don't want to be too. You don't want to make giant changes, do you? Yummy Love PB, hello. Oh, and Chromator's here as well, hello. Sorry if I ignored you. Are you, what are you up to at the moment, Yummy Love? I don't know, can't remember anything. The game looks so much more advanced than what I saw months ago. Alright. Yeah, I'm sort of building up to a demo at the moment. I need some playtesters and things. Hopefully I'll release the playtest today. I gotta make sure it's winnable. And then the game is winnable. Avenging and go, man. Hello.
Contact down. Weapons full. Engaging hostile craft.
There's obviously a bug in that.
Target destroyed. Simple.
Because it's a roguelike, like at least this game mode, it doesn't quite matter if it's like too hard for other people. It doesn't really bother me as much as like the story mode. Obviously, you should make sure the story mode is pretty easy so like everyone can complete it. It's not really a big deal. But, like something like this game mode isn't really, you know, I don't really care if you can't win, you know. Today.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
the playtest, yeah.
Let's have at it then.
I literally just got to balance this and make sure that we can win, right?
Contact down.
Enemy destroyed.
Eyes on me.
Death awaits.
Bombs away. You're nothing. Eyes on me.
Okay, let's go. That looks good. You wishlisted it? Oh, thank you. That means a lot to me. And if you want to playtest it, I'd really it would help me out a lot as well. But, I'll put the link on Discord later.
Well, well, well. What do we have here then?
Don't waste my time. Eyes on me. Don't waste my time. You're nothing.
I've lost my shield.
Eyes on me. nothing.
Ooh, oh yeah. Spending weeks fixing one of my games lately, a bit interesting. After each update, I discover something new to fix. Alright, what are you making? Oh, welcome back. Okay, that's a good idea. Welcome back, Dark Beckman. That's a good idea. 3D platformer, but right now I think it's done. Oh, really? Well, let me playtest it. I will... You can put the link in the chat if you want to, and I will play it. If it's on itch or something, right?
You're nothing. Bombs away. You're nothing.
Contact down. Shields at 0%. I've lost my shield.
Eyes on me. Help! I'm falling apart. You're nothing.
Armor is almost gone. Shield down.
Help! I'm falling apart. Is anyone gonna repair me? You're nothing.
Oof. I just had a great, terrible idea. Should I replace my poor father with an airship? Oh yeah, how's your lips and eyebrows going? Benjamin Goma. You're always doing something silly like that. It's an itch, yeah, but it's paid. I need to send the key. Oh. Files aren't saved here. Not sure. Hi, I'm not sure. I'm Dad. What? By the way, if you're not recording this play sessions for promotion, I'll be very angry. Alright. No, yeah, I have the VODs, and they do actually, sometimes the algorithm picks them up, and they do actually do quite well. Well, for me. Because the VODs on Twitch, nobody watches VODs on Twitch, right? So. Should probably repair her. We're close to the end, holy shit. Yeah, Yummy, you know. Is it on Steam? If it's not very much money, you know, I will, I'll do it. Iron? I don't have iron weapons though. Actually, I don't think I do. Only on itch. Itch would be preferable, isn't it, than Steam? I think I would really love to sell my games on itch. Just everything's so much easier. They make everything so simple.
Death awaits. The cold is coming. A good kill. Easy. Yes. Let's have at it then.
Have reinforcements.
Easy.
I'm gonna let Titus die, I
My
think.
ship is almost lost. Death awaits. Enemy destroyed. Death awaits. My ship is almost lost.
Because he's out of ammo and he's kind of
Cold is
useless
coming.
now.
Titus!
Contact down. Enemy down.
Eyes on me.
Hey, hello. Hello, mate. Oh, I see you're coming close to a demo as well, right? Or something. Oh, sorry, Binge. Oh, I get so distracted. I finished the face yesterday debating on extending the hair. I think it might be smart to do hair strands as separate file model. Mate. It's good to learn this stuff, I guess. Reduces hull max for shield, accuracy, acceleration.
For the Emperor of Mars.
Walk outside. Eyes on me. Bombs away. My shield. Eyes on me.
What? You're kidding me.
Weapons full.
Unfair game. The devs don't know what they're doing. This game sucks.
Enemy down. Weapons full. Contact down. Weapons beyond 100%. Shields at 0%. Contact down. Shields down. Weapons full. Target destroyed. Shields at 0%. My ship is in trouble. Weapons beyond 100%.
Right now, I'm in the phase of thinking about what I really want to do next. What sort of game is it going to be? I should change the way buffs appear because these are useless. I think they're useless, I'm not sure.
We've arrived. Mars is in sight.
Mars looks like shit.
Your resistance is futile.
There should be some music here as
Solaria
well.
will never return. I will see to that now.
Maybe.
Target destroyed. Simple. Weapons beyond 100%. My ship is in trouble. Shields down. My ship is in trouble. I've lost my shield. Armor is almost gone.
Oh, it's pretty close. It's pretty fucking close. I feel like if I just played a little bit better, I could have won that. I don't know. Oh, I shouldn't have saved the result and then tried again with mouse and keyboard or something. Now I'm in doubt of which game project I should do next, and I just entered the Halloween solo div jam. Alright. What game are you gonna make? Have to be a horror game, I suppose. I might buy Natasha. No. I might buy this. Yeah. Oh, the scrolling doesn't work, look. I'll fix that. I gotta fix it, and then to be honest, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna export it like this. Despite the fact that I don't think you can actually beat the game. I don't think you can beat the game, but I'm gonna export it like this anyway. It takes a long time to do a run. It takes like an hour, doesn't it? So it's hard. I want to take a break. So let's fix this thing. Let's go to shop. Not shop. Character. Ship. Autofocus. Ship it. It's good enough for a playtest, anyway, isn't it? There you go. Nice. Good. Okay, so I'm going to export to Linux. I'm going to export to Windows. A lot less. A lot more complicated. I think I want to go Starfront 2, new folder, Windows, export there. Next fest February, yeah. Yeah, I put the demo in next February. But to be honest, I think the demo will be finished a long time before then. It's probably going to be finished in November. And then I'll probably just be working on the game and just leave the demo how it is. Just be working on the game in the background. Good enough because you find that certain things you were worried about, nobody minded, or something you never thought about being a problem gets mentioned. Yeah. My goal with the project is more to build an asset system similar to RPG Maker. Bloody hell, Vinge. I'd love to be into RPG Maker. It's like got a simplicity to it that I think would be nice. Anyway, so I also want to pack my project as a zip file here. I want to call it Play Test Controller. And then I want to raid someone on Steam, not Steam, Twitch. Oh, this game
I'm wondering if
was
I
fun, wasn't it?
edited enough, if I could
I played this game.
Yeah.
Oh, and yeah, Yami, if you want to send me a code or something, if you want to, or just send the link, put the link in my Discord or something. At least I'll look at it. At least. Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was raiding. Raid Captain Onasa, and I'm gonna put the playtest out today. So if anyone wants to play it, I'd appreciate it. And yeah. I'll see you guys later. See you later, Hyper Game Dev.